Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wish you good every day, everyone. I'm Muhammad Farah Ramadan. With what's happening in the world right now, we interrupt this program with breaking news. Massive demonstrations have broken out across Indonesia, beginning in Jakarta and spreading to several major cities like Bandung, Makassar, and Semarang. Protesters are voicing anger over lawmakers' high allowance, rising living costs, and what they describe as unfair austerity measures. Clashes between protesters and police have turned into violence, with tear gas, water cannons, and mass arrests reported. According to local media, at least 5 people have died, hundreds have been injured, and thousands detained. Anger escalated further after a viral video showed a police armored vehicle running over a motorcycle taxi driver who later died.